Today, you're going to learn how to file taxes with a $15,000 income using ChatGPT as your personal tax assistant. I'll show you the exact prompts you can copy and paste to check if you must file, what forms you need, and whether you might get a refund. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, part-time workers, students, freelancers, and anyone earning a low to moderate income. Before you begin, gather your income documents, pay stubs, 1099 forms, bank statements, or records showing how you earned the $15,000. You'll also want to know how much tax was withheld, if any. If you're unsure what counts as taxable income, the first prompt will guide you. Start here. Tell me if I need to file taxes in the US with a $15,000 income. Explain the rules in simple terms. This gives you a clear answer based on your filing status, bachelor age, and dependency situation. Next, personalize your filing process using this prompt. Ask me questions about how I earned the $15,000, then tell me which tax forms I need and whether I might owe or receive a refund. Your answers help build a customized step-by-step filing guide. If you want help estimating what you owe or may get back, use this. Estimate my tax or refund based on a $15,000 income and break down the calculation clearly. This helps you understand how withholding, deductions, and credits shape your final tax bill. To explore tax credits, use explain which tax credits someone earning $15,000 may qualify for with simple examples. Finally, create long-term organization with create a simple monthly routine to track income, receipts and forms so next year's tax filing is easier. And that's it. Filing taxes on a $15,000 income becomes simple when you follow clear steps and stay organized. You only need to use ChatGPT at the beginning and at the end of your process to keep everything consistent. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.